Hi, this is Somania and this is my mom, Tajma Begum. We came from Bangladesh. So আমার মার পায়ে হচ্ছে প্রায় 13 বছর আগ থেকে একটু একটু ব্যথা স্টার্ট হয় এন্ড দেন ওই ব্যথা নিয়ে উনি মোটামুটি বাসার কাজ করতে পারতো, ওয়াকিং করতে পারতো এন্ড হচ্ছে রেগুলার রোমিং অ্যারাউন্ড গুলো উনি করতে পারতো, বাট আফটার 2 to 3 years it got worsen and she could not work properly, she could not do any household works and she need to take supports of something to work. Even though that was not the rock bottom for her, but after 2.5 years later we started to look for doctors who can treat her and give her medicine to treat the pain. We gone to few doctors and doctor suggested that she needs to have a surgery. But my mom was so scared and so much skeptical about the surgery that she could not think of the surgery as an option for her. Tarpore we got to know Manipal Hospital. After talking to the Manipal's customer support, they were very prompt and they were very responsive, and we got to know Dr. Karan.
I'm Dr. Karan Kukreja, Orthopaedic Surgeon at Manipal Hospital Whitefield. Mrs. Tajma Begum, a 57-year-old lady from Bangladesh, had severe knee pain which was affecting her daily activities. The pain was so severe that she was not able to walk much, unable to climb stairs, and even her household daily activities were severely affected, and going outdoors was also out of the question. She was diagnosed to have an advanced arthritis of the knee joint and underwent a knee replacement surgery. During the surgery, we injected a special cocktail of local anaesthetic and other medications into the knee joint to ensure she had very good pain relief after the surgery. So this ensured that she had minimal discomfort on the day of the surgery and the next day also, and she was mobilized very early and she was walking very quickly within a few days itself.
It was a very safe and very smooth process for my mom. It took about 2 and 2.5 hours to get the surgery done. So after the surgery, she was very stable and there was no complications at all. That was the part that impressed us the most, that even though she has diabetic and high blood pressure and other issues, the surgery went very smooth and there was no complications at all.
At Manipal Hospital Whitefield, we have the equipment and the personnel to handle all sorts of complicated surgeries, including surgeries for young children, very elderly people, and even complex and high-risk surgeries. She found the entire procedure rewarding and comfortable and went back home to Bangladesh with very happy memories of India.
And my mom now doing better, and we hope and pray that she can start to having a normal life back. We are very much grateful to Manipal Hospital in Whitefield, and I also especially wanted to thank Dr. Karan, who makes my mom comfortable and makes her feel that this would be the best option for her and treated her well. And we are very impressed on the surgery and the post-surgery procedure and the whole journey. And I also thank all the nursing staff and the customer support team that Manipal has, and for their immense support and for their guidance to go through this process. So thank you guys very much.